Hello, I'm Hunter from Xtras, and today I'm going to show you how to disassemble, clean, and reassemble your trigger assembly for the CudaX. 4mm Allen, some sort of rod that's approximately the size of your trigger hole, some skinny tweezers or anything that'll pinch to help guide out that trigger rod, and a magnet to help position the arm during reassembly. So first we're going to start with a 4mm T-handle Allen. There's two M5x14 screws. And then there is another one down here, and this is just going to loosen the handlebar. And then now we are going to want to undo one of the M5x16 screws for the grip. We're going to slide this off, and we're going to remove the handlebar. And this is going to allow the trigger to slide all the way down and through the handle. Next, we're going to use tweezers or something small just to pinch and pull the trigger down and out. And following this should be your trigger rod and your spring. And then, again, what we can do is use a soft bristle wire brush to get up inside, clean everything out. There's only one point of entry into the arm, and that is down through the handle. So that makes cleaning debris that finds its way up in here really hard to get to. But you can get pretty good with a wire brush. Once it's all cleaned out and everything, you're going to go ahead and reassemble your trigger. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the spring on top of the trigger rod near the magnet. We're going to carefully put it up through. You'll see it going up to the handle. And at this point you want to stop because you can't reach it with your hand. You're going to want to hold it from falling out the bottom. And grab a rod of some sort approximately the size of the hole that you are pushing it up through. And at this point, this is when it comes in handy to have a magnet of some sorts, and it's going to want to stick to the arm at the top to where the magnet is on the trigger rod. And this is going to allow you to slide back over your trigger assembly. And then what we're going to do is we're going to install it, and we are going to put the first screw through the hole that is on the trigger assembly. Next, we are going to assemble the one that stops the trigger from coming up and keeps it flat, parallel with the handle. So we're going to press down a little bit, start this, screw it in the rest of the way. Once that's done, you can start to reassemble your handle. This can be a tight fit sometimes, but just go ahead and twist it on. I'm going to put the grip back on this side. Go ahead and line everything back up again. Retighten the handle grip. Check the other one as well. And then next we're going to go back underneath, and we're going to retighten this to go ahead and pinch and hold the handlebar in place. Once that's done, your handle should no longer move, and it should all be tight and secure.